Homeschool PJ Time, a bedtime STEM book written by Andrea Salzman and Lacey Salzman, illustrated by Amber West. On Monday, Nina leaps from bed. No bus today, so what instead? Today starts something bold and new, an education with a view. First puddle jumping, skipping rocks. It's Newton's law with dirty socks. When boots crash down and mud erupts, the splatter gets a big thumbs up. Oh, Nina, this is so much fun. The sun goes down, the dusk sublime. It's homeschool PJ firefly time. Look at them shine. On Tuesday, Nina rolls from bed. No bus today, but friends instead. Today she'll sketch, compose, and play, for Tuesdays are her meetup day. Her classmates map out Europe's shores, a presentation she adores, a timeline song sung way off key, then English, math, astronomy. All work is done, the night sublime. It's homeschool PJ moonwatch time. Look, Nina, look how bright the moon is. On Wednesday, Nina reads in bed. No bus today, that dog instead. The world's await, so much to see. But what will her next lesson be? First, some science in the pool. Do ice cubes melt when not kept cool? Do solids stay and liquids spread? Hypotheses fill Nina's head. So much to think about. The pool grows cold, a fire sublime. It's homeschool PJ marshmallow time. Careful, everyone. Don't burn your marshmallows. On Thursday, Nina sings in bed. No bus today, the arts instead. The words and music fill her mind. They let her leave her world behind. Her eyes are closed, her mind alive. She's humming Ludwig's number 5. Now painting Monet 'neath the sky. The greens so green they make her cry. The paint is dry, the yawn sublime. It's homeschool PJ toothpaste time. Don't forget to brush your back teeth. On Friday, Nina springs from bed. No bus today, a trip instead. Pack up a bag, pick up a friend. The car school options never end. Amusement parks where cars collide, some funnel cakes, a coaster ride. Potential rising to the top, awaiting a kinetic drop. Whee! Exhausted girl, her day sublime. It's homeschool PJ pass out time. On weekends, Nina camps in bed. No school today, a fort instead. Her brother wild plays at her side, while kittens small seek ways to hide. On Saturday, there's mama talks, a horseback ride, some daddy walks. Then all dressed up for Sunday praise, 2 rest-filled, love-filled, simple days. The week has passed, this life sublime. It's homeschool PJ repeat time. Repeat, repeat, repeat. What a wonderful week it's been. Can't wait to see what next week brings. Oh, now one more thing. Parents, Each week, your child will ask to pull this book out to plan another week of STEM adventures alongside Nina and her pup. All you need is a pack of sticky notes and a pen to quickly populate our Cycle 2 planning pages. Order your copy of Homeschool PJ Time, a bedtime STEM book today at www.homeschoolpjs.com.